In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up working hours and location in Outlook. Setting clear working hours and a location in your Outlook calendar helps teammates know when you're available and where you'll be working from. It also keeps your schedule organized and reduces back and forth when booking meetings. Let's walk through it from a fresh browser. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, click the official Outlook website to open Outlook on the web. If you already have Outlook open in another tab or bookmarked, you can use that too. Once you're in your mailbox, look to the left sidebar and select Calendar. That switches you from email to your schedule. To make the timeline easier to see, change the view to Work Week. This focuses on your Monday to Friday schedule and makes it simple to block out a single day. Now, click on the specific day you want to set up. A new event panel will appear. In the title field, type something clear and recognizable, like Workday, so it's obvious what this block represents at a glance. Next, let's set the hours. Find the Start Time field and choose the exact time your workday begins. Then, set the end time to when your day wraps up. If your hours vary, pick what applies for that particular day. Keep an eye on AM and PM to avoid accidental late-night meetings. And remember that times follow your calendar's time zone, so make sure your region is correct in your Outlook settings ahead of time. Now let's add a location. In the Location field, type where you'll be working. You can enter a specific office address, a meeting room, or simply home or remote, if that's more accurate. If Outlook recognizes the place, it may suggest a matching location. Choose it to add extra context for anyone viewing your calendar. When everything looks right, the title, your start and end times, and the location, click Save. You should see your workday block appear on the calendar for the day you selected. This makes you visibly busy during those hours and adds clarity for anyone trying to schedule with you. You can repeat this process for other days that have different hours or locations. If your schedule changes, just open the event, adjust the times or location, and save again. That's it. Simple, clear, and effective. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more organized Outlook calendar.